All right, so I got my iMac 27 here, and you all have seen me dismantle one similarly to this. This is a 27-inch iMac 2010, and it has the classic overheating issues that most of them do as they get older. I have managed to dismantle it a couple of times, not all the way down, but just do the fan cleanings and such. But I've never replaced the thermal paste, and nor have I cleaned the GPU, so the GPU cooling fins thoroughly. So I kind of made a decision. I said, I can replace this unit, and it's going to cost me $2,500. It still works really well. It just overheats, and when I keep it cool, the thing performs amazing. I mean, I still love this machine, even regardless. It's 6 years old. It really does what I want it to do. It's fast and efficient. So today we're going to do a full dismantle on this, and I'm going to pull it all the way down to the motherboard and the logic board. It's a Mac, so it's a logic board. But we're going to clean everything all the way down. Clean it, clean, and then reassemble. And I'm going to do it in a time lapse situation. So I'm not going to talk much through it. You're just going to watch what I do. Never done a full dismantle of this, but it's either that or replace it. It's been running at 106 degrees Fahrenheit, just sitting idle. That's way too hot. It's been frying hard drives. Every time I turn around, I've got a hard drive that fries in it. So I think I've replaced 3 hard disks in this now. It's time. So it's either that or it dies trying. I gotta fix it or replace it. So, all right, let's do it. Okay, so we got this puzzle all apart now, and you can see this is the GPU, and you can see the thermal paste on the cooling unit has cracked. It's still a little bit pliable, but it is not in good shape. There wasn't a lot of dust in the cooling fins, and that's because I've blown it clean. I've just never taken it apart like this before. And this is the CPU. And the thermal paste is somewhat pliable, but it's still in terrible shape. It's 6 years old, so it's going to be needing to be replaced. For that, I use a spudger to scrape it off and some alcohol swabs, and we're going to clean it all off, and then we're going to go ahead and reassemble it. I have about an hour invested into the process so far, and again, I'm a trained and experienced technician, but this is a little bit daunting. So if you take this on by yourself, yeah, Godspeed. All right, let's keep going. We've got it reassembled, turned on, and I've been running the YouTube, and I got Final Cut Pro in the background, and you can see 88 degrees is much cooler than the 106 degrees that I was getting this morning. So I'm pretty happy with what we've got going on. I do not have the glass back on yet. I have it set over here, and I've cleaned it. Cleaned this backside with ammonia-free glass cleaner on a microfiber rag. That is important. And then I have a few more screws I got to put in just around the LCD screen. But yeah, I'm happy. 88 degrees. I'm running, I'm taxing it just like I was taxing it this morning, and it's much cooler. So I would call this a success. Going to go ahead and make sure I put the glass back on it and everything, and run it again for the day and just make sure. But I think we got it. So So yeah, took me, I'm an experienced guy, it took me, I don't know, 3 hours total, in and out. Probably could do it in an hour and a half now. Thanks for watching.